Today I will show you how to create collage effect in Photoshop. Choose an image to your liking, then duplicate it. Go to the layer panel and click on the gradient fill. Add the color and angle accordingly. Click on OK button. Take a rectangular tool and make one rectangle. Duplicate the rectangle, then increase the size and change the color. Right-click on white rectangle, then click on blending options. Add the drop shadow. Click on OK button. Now drag the image on top of the layers. Right-click on the image layer and click on the clipping mask. Select both rectangles from the layer panel, then place it accordingly. Rotate it to your liking. Now select the image and both rectangles, then click on Group to make a group. Now duplicate the group from the layer panel. Click on the copy of Group 1. Now select both rectangles too. Adjust them on the image accordingly. Now repeat the process as many times as needed. Your collage effect in Photoshop is ready now. Hope you like it. Do like, share and subscribe.